Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have Poco M2 Pro, also known as Redmi Note 9 Pro, because both of the devices are pretty similar in terms of specifications and the design. There's 1920 difference between both of them. So talking about this device in particular, I bought it from Flipkart on Big Billion Day sale for 13,000 rupee. This device is a great option if you're trying to find a phone below 15,000 rupee because it has the processor which can fly through daily tasks and can also help you out to do a bit of gaming, the average gaming that you want to do. The battery life is amazing. It can last you up to 1.5 day with moderate to high usage. Charging, it has 33-watt fast charger right in the box, and you also get the brake, so it's great thing. The design is premium. You get the glass back. The fingerprint is side mounted fingerprint. The display, I have a bit of complaint over here because it is normal LCD panel. You don't get the 90 hertz panel, or you don't even get the OLED screen. So it's okay. It's not the best, but the colors still look bright and it's amazing. Now, if you ask me, this device is overall a great smartphone. So the pictures out of this device is amazing. The quality of the photos have taken amazing. The portrait mode works super fine, and the 48 megapixel captures more detail. I have also shoot the wider angle picture. Then I have the same object in macro format. And also, there's one thing that I would like to mention is. While taking pictures, you'll see the skin tone gets a bit warmer. So that's the after processing. So people who are into raw pictures or something can install Gcam on this device, and the pictures out of Gcam looks phenomenally superb. So that's one thing. And another thing that I would like to mention is the call quality or the video call quality. So I'll attach a video and you'll be hearing that right now. So this is how it sounds on Poco M2 Pro. So if you're on video call, this is how your voice is going to be heard. So I hope you find this review helpful. From privacy perspective, this device I feel is really below par because apps like normal battery optimizer, your security app, all certain apps of Xiaomi that are right built in this Poco launcher takes permission without even asking you the detailed permission. You just press access and everything is sent to the Chinese server. So I feel in this era when companies like Apple, Google are trying hard to make privacy more secure, companies like Poco, Xiaomi, another Oppo really needs to work upon such thing. So I feel you should buy this device only you trust Poco and you trust what they're gonna do with your data, because it's possible enough that this data is going to go to the Chinese server and it might not harm you, but still it's like self-respect. You are giving yourself to a company for 15,000 rupee. So that's something you have to keep in mind. Apart from that, this device is great, and Poco can fix this with one simple software update. So I hope Poco works upon this. Rather than that, I do not find anything bad in this device. This device is amazing. I've used it, and it's really smooth, and it's great value for money. So if you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any other query related to Poco M2 Pro or any other device that you want a review on. Please comment down below. So stay connected and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay secure, be with your family, take care of your family because it's a hard time out there, and stay corona free. See you.